Welcome back to your final video. Great work so far. I hope you have enjoyed learning about creative resumes and portfolios with Adobe. In the next lesson titled Assignments, you'll find a quick activity that will show us what you learned in this course. All you have to do now is log into your Adobe Creative Cloud account and start adapting or creating your assignment so that you can get your badge and certificate for 60 minutes of professional development. We are so glad you chose to join us. If you want, we would love for you to share your creation with the world using #AdobeEduCreative. Don't forget to invite others to take this course too. If you liked what you saw and want your students to take some courses with Adobe as well, we have student courses available in the link below this video. If you want more professional development, there are many more courses just like this one on the Adobe Education Exchange. See you next time.